In this episode, I'm going to talk about the unification of two subjects that seem to be far apart, mathematics and psychology. Specifically, the analytic psychology developed by Carl Jung and his school in the 20th century. One of the main tenets of analytic psychology is that each individual mind is connected to a common psychic substrate that Carl Jung called collective unconscious, whose building blocks are the archetypes, the structures of the psyche that are common and universal to all humans. You may have heard about such archetypes as shadow, anima, animus, and the self. But fewer people realize that in his later years, Carl Jung came up with a truly fascinating idea that the set of natural numbers, numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, comes from an archetype. The archetype that he called the archetype of order. So this way, Carl Jung established a link between mathematics and psychology. And in this episode, I am going to take this idea much further. I'm going to propose that all mathematical objects and all mathematical ideas come from archetypes, come from our collective unconscious. And therefore, mathematics gives us an objective, scientific approach to the study of the human mind, to the study of human psychology. While physics is the study of the external physical world, the outer cosmos, if you will, mathematics is the study of our inner mental world, our inner cosmos. And in particular, when we bring mathematical archetypes in our collective awareness, when we integrate them, to borrow the term used by psychologists, new dimensions of reality open up for us. We'll discuss all of this in this episode, and I will present some concrete examples. Welcome to the Aftermath.